Welcome to Calculus 1, Math 2413 online. My name is Dr. Amro. I will be your instructor. And now what we want to do, we want to go and see what do we have inside the course. So we'll consider this is an online orientation. On the left side menu, we have Start here, and that's the home page right here. And on the home page you will see that the first thing I ask you to do is go ahead and introduce yourself by clicking on the discussion board. Give me a small bio. I did myself, so go ahead and do the similar to that. Next, click on the syllabus. View the syllabus by clicking on the syllabus right here on this folder, and download the syllabus because you're going to have a syllabus quiz. When you actually download the syllabus, you can download it in different format, PDF file or Word document. So let so get familiar to the syllabus. Who's your teacher? How to reach your teacher. In addition to that, what is the course learning outcome? What's the book? And as you can see, this is Thomas, the 14th edition. And what I did is I put the the text book ISBN number, but you will see also on the announcement that I gave you a link where you can buy uh, the code for my math lab. Now you go further down, you're going to see a grading, basically more or less what is the percentage for each one for the homework and the quizzes. Those homework and quizzes will be done inside my math lab, discussion board, practice for midterm, and the midterm itself, and the same thing, the final, those will be on the blackboard. So the quizzes and the homework will be using my math lab. My math lab is very important because you will see it will give you a practice problem on the homework, and you will master the skill to be able to get ready for the exam. You will see further down more information regarding as you can see, regarding the midterm and the final. You need to download what's called Lockdown Browser, and you're required to have a web camera so you can take the exam on your computer. Homework is in my math lab. It has unlimited attempt. Quizzes, we're going to have 8 quizzes, but they're all timed, and you will have to attempt to take it. Practice midterm or practice final, that will be given usually before the midterm or the final. Discussion board, you're required to do it because it's part of the grade. Now, if we go down, farther down, all the way to the end, you're going to see more or less time or the schedule for your course. You're going to find out like for every 2 modulo, we are required to do it by a certain day. So please download this and have it in front of you to keep in mind when is the each module will be due. So now if we go back to the home page right here, on the home page you're going to see also the book in a PDF file if you want to actually print it or even download it on your computer. The minute you're done, make sure that you click on you view the syllabus. Again, as I mentioned, when we go to course content, the first thing we want to do is we want to take what we call is syllabus quiz. Now, again, with the midterm and final, we're going to see that we are required to take them using what we call is Lockdown Browser. There is course objective, there is also discussion board, how to set up also your my math lab, and how to see homework if it is necessary. The schedule also is put right here. Now if we go to the course content right here, In the course content, you're going to see that it's divided into modulo. So you want to click on the first learning modulo and see what you're required to do. Again, I repeated a little bit on the syllabus, but again, you're going to see that you already listened to the orientation and you want to take uh, the the quiz for the syllabus quiz. Discussion board right here, make sure you do it and you take the syllabus quiz, and then after that you start with what's required for the course. You can see some videos. There are also YouTube videos which is related to the topic, and then you want to make sure before you finish this module that you accomplish the following: you did the discussion board, you took the quiz, and you finish homework 1 and homework 2. The minute you're done, then you are able to move to the next module. In the next module, which is due on the 10th or on the 13th uh, of June, you click on this one and you continue with the same thing. As you can see, um, at the end of that, you will have homework 2 and homework 2.3 and 2.4 and the quiz to be done by that week. Now, again, you want to make sure the first thing you will do is you click on My Math Lab and you follow the instruction of how to register for My Math Lab. You're supposed to buy a code for this course, and if you look under the announcement, then it's just said click on My Math Lab, and up to now you don't see it, but it should be available on the first day. Click on My Math Lab and try to register for the course. I did register, but also do the same thing. Follow the instruction what you have to do. If you buy the code, that code will be good for CAP 1, 2, and also 3. Now, we can go back to the course content. As we see in course content, you're going to do module by module until you reach module 8. In module 8, you will be given a review, and you'll be given also the key to the review, and in addition to that, you will be also taking your practice midterm and also the actual midterm. As you see, I put in information regarding the midterm. You will be downloading the lockdown browser. So if you click on it, you're going to take you directly to the location where you should download, and it depends on your computer if it is Windows or Mac. That's good. The minute you download it, you need to go ahead and close everything, and then click on the lockdown browser to start, and then follow the instruction because it's going to check for you the environment, your ID, and everything. Make sure you are the person who's taking the exam, because we will view the videos later on, and then you will start the test. The minute you start the test, make sure you don't move or you don't go anywhere, because then it will flag the exam. You need to submit before leaving. Now, this is regarding the midterm, and we'll do the final the same way. Now, again, when you go down here into the discussion board, the thing you want to do is you want to click on the discussion and you want to start writing um, your bio. Make sure it's 150 word, and when you reply to someone, make sure it's not just I agree or it's great. You will actually give it a good thought of responding with at least 50 word. um, what else we need to discuss? Going back to the uh, home page, which is start here, you can see also down here there is a technology folder. You're welcome to use this one, and in the technology folder you will see that you have the lockdown browser. You can download it if you want from here, and you need to go down and check and see if you want to download the calculator. Calculator is good to use. You're required to have a calculator. I gave you a couple of options over here, some for the cell phone, for the laptop, or for your iPad. Um, Remember, when you download it on the cell phone, you cannot use the cell phone during the exam, so make sure you have an you can access the calculator somewhere other than your cell phone. Um, Now, whenever you wanna actually make an appointment, then you wanna send me an email. So we'll go ahead and click on what we call as a virtual meeting. I'll send you the link, and then we can join over here the virtual meeting. But make sure that you have a microphone and a camera. Any email, please use the email right here. This is very important. I know that I have instructor information right here, which include my STC email, but I do prefer email within the Blackboard. Um, Now, office hour, it will give you an instruction what to do in case that you need to meet with me, or actually to reach me online, so we can actually go to that virtual meeting. uh, Please read the syllabus carefully, and begin with module 1 as your first option. You have any question, please don't hesitate to reach me. Keep in mind, this instructor information, it has my cell phone, which is written right here. By all the means, copy it down. Good luck, and keep checking your announcement.